Okay, everybody. Somebody wanted to know, like, how do you use a C-clamp to push this in? So this is going to be a real short video of how to strictly get out your pads. First, you got to remove this guy, which can be a pain in the butt. You might have to drill it out. Don't be afraid. They tend to seize. Then you take your number 5 Allen and counterclockwise. And that will remove this pin. This pin is a wear item. If it feels funky, you can buy new pins. They're not all that expensive. I've changed this out once on this bike. Then you can drop your pads. They come out, they sit back in a little groove in the backside, which is going to be next to impossible to show you. These are semi-new. You can tell how they kind of only have one ride on them. Broken, kind of funny. Now I could change these out because I have another set of new ones for the rotor, but they're fine. They're flat. I'm just going to go ahead and use them because they're still good on the new rotor. Now this part is a wear item, and there's another shim in there that's a wear item. And yeah, I mean, they just kind of sit in place. You'll see what I'm talking about when you get them off. So how do you put in this piston? It's really not that hard. Not all bikes have this guard. It's pretty close and it's flexible. So just reach in here with a C-clamp like so. And it doesn't take much pressure to push the piston back in. So if you're changing new pads and have that total thickness, you're going to have to do this. And it will flex this. It shouldn't crack it. It hasn't on mine yet. We'll see, famous last words, right? But it doesn't take much pressure. You're just pushing this piston right back in. Just keep turning. And there you go, piston is back in. Fluid has been pushed back up to the reservoir. You take that and then reverse. You just take these guys and set them up in there. Take your pin, gonna want to shove that all the way, and then take your 5mm Allen, and that threads right on in. All is good. And then you take your hub rim and you put it on. So I need a new shim. I'll point that out. See, there's a hole right there. I'll order those up. But it's a wear item, so expect that. So there we have it. Now it is back together. Just put back in the tab, and then that's all you do. So there you have it. That's how you compress your caliper with the C-clamp. Pretty straightforward, and what to look for with wear. So hopefully that helped you all out. Take care, my friends, and stay well.